Welcome to the journey. Let's have a read of this together. So, doors slam, engine throbs, wheels turn, journey's begun. Pace quickens, motorway beacons, engines rhythm, steady onward, fields cows, sheep farms, rushing past, gushing rivers, city skyscrapers, neat back gardens fly from view, gears scraping, engines slowing, street sign calling, here at last. So this is a short poem on the journey, and it just shows you from the start of the journey to the end of the journey what this particular person who's taking this journey actually sees and hears, and what they actually go past, and what they're feeling. So you've got these emotions, like, and also your senses that are being used here. So it's a very descriptive type of poem on the journey. So descriptive means your five senses come into play. So what you see, what you feel, what you hear, what you kind of smell, maybe in this case, and in terms of your atmosphere around you. So have a look at your senses and descriptive senses in the fact that what this person actually sees and feels and hears while they're actually on their particular journey from the start to the end. And then you've got some questions based on this to answer, which we'll review in our next class. But in the meantime, good luck with these questions. Thank you.